Hey guys, I'm back with another video and today I'm going to share my review on this one. So this is the Veet Sensitive Touch electric trimmer. I've already shared an unboxing video of this Veet Sensitive Touch and you know how much I love the packaging of this one. So a lot of you guys were really interested in how to use this tool. So I thought of reviewing it for you guys. So let's get started with the review of this tool and I'll show you guys how effective it is at removing the hair. So let's get started. To start the device, you need to twist the bottom to your left. It gets twisted and then there's a space to insert the battery that comes with this tool again. So it is shown on this tube on how to insert the cell. The positive side has to be on the up. So you just insert it like that and then just put the cap back and then push it and then push it and then bring it to the neutral position, and then when you just twist it to your right, it gets started. So you can move it to your left to replace the battery and move it to your right to get it started. And this is the attachment that comes attached to this trimmer. You need to twist it to your right to remove the attachment. So you just twist it like this and it comes off. It's so easy to remove, and just place it back at the right position and it gets locked. This is the smaller trimmer head which is used for face. So this small razor is for eyebrows, like where you need precision, and this bigger one is for face, like the larger areas like sideburns, upper lips and chin. It also comes with a combing head. So this is the cute little combing head and you put it like this, so it's done. So this is for the smaller areas and this is for the bigger areas. This is very useful for eyebrows, those who have very bushy eyebrows, so they can comb their eyebrows in the direction opposite to your hair. It will cut off the excess length, and I'll show you a demo as well with the eyebrows in a different video. It also comes with the cap which you can use for travel, so now your trimmer heads are safe while traveling and like no dirt will catch, no germs. And I really like that it comes with a cap because it actually keeps the trimmer hygienic while traveling. Like it's the perfect partner for me during travel. I just need to throw it in my bag and I'm ready to go. So yeah, this cap is really helpful during travels. And there is other trimmer head which is for body. So again, you just need to put it and screw it and it's done. This is for body hair, like for underarms and bikini line, and I guess you can even use it for hands just in case of emergencies. This also comes with a combing head and this is how the combing head looks like. This is the bigger one. So you need to put it like this from the back and then on the front. Now it's attached, and if you have larger body hair, so just brush them in the direction opposite to the hair growth, so it will trim the excess length. Let's get started with this and see how it works. It makes this buzz sound. So my hair aren't very long here, so this brush is not doing that much, so I'll just remove the brush and use it. Hello baby. I mean, can you see how effectively it is removing, and I absolutely feel nothing on my skin. See, the hair at this area are completely removed and my skin feels so soft and smooth. And can you see the hair? And it comes with a brush, so just brush the hair and your tool is clean again. And I must tell you that these razors are very gentle on skin. There are no nicks and cuts with these trimmers, even if you use on the sensitive areas. So that's the thing that I really like about this trimmer. So it is actually a trimmer, not a shaver. So it doesn't like shave your hair, but it actually trims your hair. I'll also show you a demo using this tool on my face in my next video, so we will know how effective it is for face as well. And this is how I store my tool. It comes with a pouch and that's really like travel friendly. I just put everything in this little pouch and I'm good to go. So overall, I'm really impressed with this tool. Like it really saves my life and it is one of the best tools that I have tried till date. And I really like that it comes with a battery, and this battery actually lasts pretty long, so it doesn't consume much of the battery. I have used it almost 5 to 6 times now and it is still working, so I don't need to replace battery very often, and that's why I really like it. I know it is slightly pricey for 2250, but it does a really good job at hair removal and there are no cuts at all. It is just one of the best tools that I've tried till date. If you're looking for some compact travel friendly hair removal tool, you have to try this and you will forget everything that you have tried till date. Like, this is one of the effective tools, especially for emergencies. Like, you can use it anywhere. It's so easy to use and there are no cuts at all. So yeah, that's my review on this Veet Sensitive Touch electric trimmer, and I really like it. Let me know in comment section below, how do you remove your hair at home? Do you go for waxing or trimming or shaving? Like, let me know in comment section below. I would love to hear it from you. So yeah, that's all that I wanted to talk about this Veet Sensitive Touch electric trimmer today. I hope you enjoyed this review and find it helpful. Like, this is one of my favorite beauty tool these days. It just saves my life and I have been using it regularly since I got it and I just love it. So yeah, that's all from me today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you can also follow me on my social media. All of my social media links will be listed down below, so don't forget to check the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.